Hey guys, and today, we are back with another video. I heard this game was a rage game. It's called Mario Cat. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's called Mario Cat, and it said that it was really hard. Well, you guys probably know that I'm an epic gamer. Wait a minute. What is that? That only means one thing. Troll. Yeah. I mean, the music sounds good. Wow, I suck. Wait. Oh, I lost a life. I don't want to hit. Oh, there's a part 2. Maybe as soon as I beat this one, I'll play that one. If I beat this. I need the... You can't do that. No. What? How? Not fair. Can I get this one? No! You can't do that. Oh. There was no warning for that. What happens if I do die? I wonder that. So, how do I avoid this? Do I like... Oh! Oh, I'm going fast now. Whoops. Wait, why did I say whoops? I'm doing nothing wrong. What? That's not fair. That's... Okay, so now I know that's there. And I... What is wrong with me? 0 lives. This is my last life. It doesn't really matter if I have to restart. -1? What does it mean by -1? Maybe like a -1,000 soon? Jump over that, jump. Sucks that you only get 1 life. Okay, so I know. Somewhere. Yes! I knew that would happen. Hell, it just fell to their doom. They have like no AI. Can this please have a mushroom? If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so mad. Mushroom. That mushroom was a trap. I can't have that. I just can't. You can dislike this video now. You can leave. You can watch some other content. There's better content than this.
Oh! Okay, what was that, 300?
I don't care. I don't care if that was 300.
What was that all about?
Hi, Mr. Turtle.
So 9 bites would be...
Yeah, I kind of care about fish.io. Well, that kind of sucks. Pro gamer skills. It's pro gamer time. No more being tiny baby mode. So he's going to come through. There, he's walking. Which I can wait for these guys to go through because their AI was messed up. And I think that I do this. Yeah. This is gonna fall. I know what's gonna happen. And I have to go under there. I knew it! Is that a checkpoint? Oh, those guys have dumb AI. Before I get that, I'm gonna get this checkpoint just in case. Yes, hallelujah. That's how we roll. We get the cool stuff. I don't even know what just happened. Does the star kill me? I've died -5 times. How is that even possible? Speedrunning time. I think the star like kills me or something. Something's gonna jump out of there. I know what's gonna happen. No? Oh, there's a hole. Maybe I have to... How am I alive? I'm alive. What? Can I go up now? Hey! No! I made a small oopsie. Hey, I mean, at least you have infinite lives. Okay, so don't go down there. That's not fair. That's not fair. I'm mad. So what you do is you hit this thing, and then you go up there. Then what you do is you don't. Wait. That's not fair. I am disappointed. I am very disappointed that I didn't figure that one out. It was the only cloud that wasn't moving with the background. I should have noticed. Bye-bye. So now I know you go like bang and then you hop on that. You go past really fast. Well, you don't have to. And there's that thing. That thing is mean. I don't like it. This can't be the end. What did I tell you? I told you! Okay, so how do I get past this? I didn't know I could... I don't think that was a ball. If I die a single time... Okay, I'm not going to say that because I'm going to die another time. This is just terrible. There, so I do that. That's quick. So I'm here again. I know that cloud's going to kill me, and I know not to go in that pipe. Do I go... Do I, like, do snazzy moves? Like, oh, yeah. Oh, they all get... I win. That was gonna kill me. I thought I was done. That looks like another troll game right down there. Don't play it. What? I don't want hints. No! Oh, it's actually showing me a hint. You jump over the flag. Okay, got it. The hype is on. The hype is on. I know what to do. So I gotta be really sneaky with this. I know what I have to do, but I still have to be kind of sneaky with it. Yeet! Did I seriously just do that again? My question is, what are coins for? I don't know if they even do anything. I mean, I know they're collectible, but still, can you like buy different cat icons? That'd be cool. I can go under. Oh, I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna fly me up. I know what's gonna happen. Because I was already to the end. I know what's gonna happen. And I'm not even gonna test my luck. Okay, let's wait for this guy to pass, and then you gotta be sneaky. Not the right brick. Oh, okay, so now I know what to do. You go. What do I do now? What do I do now? Let me guess. If I do this, something bad's gonna happen. I did it. Nothing. No! Oh my goodness. Thank goodness we're in a new... Okay. Oh, you go that top one. What a troll. That was just mean. That was... Oh, let me guess. They all poisoned me. I just created an infinite loop. So I think as soon as I get on there, I got it. I've got it figured out. It's only a happy game. And then happy. Ooh. Hey. Nice. Well, wait. I don't know what I was supposed to do there, but I don't really care that much. That was another trap. Don't go in there. Don't fall in that. Oh, and a mushroom. What does it do? Never eat mushrooms. Apparently in this game, all mushrooms are bad. Every single mushroom. I skipped that one last time. Thank goodness I did. Ugh. What an evil little game. I'm gonna fall here. I know it's gonna... What's that thing? They're gonna fall into... Oh, never mind. Sus! What was that? What in the... I don't even want to question it. Apparently I'm just bad. Which is... It's a fact. Well, now it's a fact. Well, I thought every time you got stuck in those, it'd be like a trap. Oh my... Ah! I put it on the face cam so you could see my reaction. So far, you could see how mad I've gotten. No! Not fair. So I can stand on this one, but I can't stand... So I have to... And then there's... You can't trap me this time. I know what's gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah. The block breaks. The block breaks. The block breaks. I sound really insane right now. I think they really ramped up the rageness on this level. If I don't okay, I'm not gonna finish this game today, but you know what I mean. I'll finish it up in another episode, if you guys want me to. If I get at least one view in this video, which you probably, if you're hearing this right now, then I'm making a part 2. Then yeah, because I actually really enjoy this game. That was a lie. That was a lie. There was a coin up there. No! so mad. This music's really intense. What is wrong with me? Why? No, and by the way, I haven't watched a single video on this. This is all new to me. I just heard that it was a rage game, and I've never played a rage game on this channel, so I thought I'd try. Whoa. Just Shapes and Beats is a rage game, maybe, I think. You know what else is just not... Geometry Dash is also a rage game, so I guess I have played a few. But not like these kind of games where it trolls you and it's mean. I should have known by that invisible block that they're literally bouncing off of. I should have known. Okay. We're ending this episode. We're ending it. We are ending it right now. And I'm upside down. I don't care. Bye.